Amen bantwana bezithunywa, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing and commenting to my videos. Ngiyathemba ukuthi inkosi isaniqinile. Today we are going to share a series of powerful cleansing and protection rituals to help you remove bad spiritual energy and bad luck. I am with one of my mentees. She is going to say something.
Amen. As spiritual beings, we are consistently interacting with different energies and vibrations. Sometimes these energies can be stuck or stagnant, leading to feelings of negativity, bad luck, or even spiritual attacks. In this video, we'll show you several simple yet effective rituals to cleanse and protect your energy using just a few simple tools and techniques.
Empilweni kuyenzeka ukuthi uhlangabezane nezimo eziyenza ukuthi impilo yakho ingahambi kahle. So izinto esizoziveza namhlanje a few things which you can do to remove ama-bad energies nama-bad luck. Sometimes uthola ama-bad luck from mhlawumbe washonelwa and then azange uzugezwe. Ngesinye isikhathi uthola ama-bad luck from abantu abayenza izinto ezingasi-right, bakuthumele ngezinto. Then bangcolise wena, bangcolise ispace sakho, or mhlawumbe uyele wahamba waya e-graveyard and then azange kuhambe kahle empilweni yakho, kwaba nezinto eziblockekile because wena umntwana womoya, so uvele nje wa-absorba le mimoya elapho emathuneni. So this is few things ongaziyenza ukuthi uremove lawo ama-bad spirit or ama-bad luck asempilweni yakho. Kumile nje empilweni yakho awazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. This is what you can do. To begin, you need a quiet and peaceful space where you can sit comfortably. I believe ukuthi we all have indawo yethu lapho sikhulekela khona. Lena is just for a demonstration purpose because angisho ukuthi endaweni yami la ngikhuleka khona for obvious reasons. So what you need to is a candle. Uzodinga i-candle lakho. Ikhala yamakhandlela sike sakhuluma ngayo ukuthi kuya ngokuthi uvezele ini and all that. If ungakavezelwa ucala ngekhandlela eli-white. And then uzodinga impepho. If usebenzisa impepho, if you are allowed ukuthi usebenzise impepho, and then ungasebenzisa impepho. If you're not, you can use ama-incense sticks wakho, and then lena ama-crystal stone, le crystal stone ungayisebenzisa. So uzokhanyisa ikhandlela lakho. And then angeke ngize ngikhanyise impepho. Abaphahlayo bangayikhanyisa impepho mabayenza lokho. Kuwe ukuthi ozazi ukuthi kuvumelekile ukuthi ukhanyise la. And then let me just use ikhandlela lami ukukhanyisa, but you can use matches, incense stick yami. Just leave it on for a while. And then okay. And then bese ngizoyibeka lana. And then bese maqeda ukhanyisile, uhleli lapho spacing sakho, ngikugcokile impahla lezi unikezwe zona ukuthi ugcoke ini mawukhuleka. If not, gcoka uhlonipheke, ungafaki igcebhezana, ungavezi amahlombe, ugcoke kahle uhlonipheke. Uma umuntu wesilisa ungafaka ama-short pant nama-t-shirt lawo amancane, ugcoka kahle, uzivale, uzikhavare kuleso space sakho. And then maqeda uyakhuleka-ke, uyakhuleka. Ngisho ulwa nemimoya emibi, uyakhuleka. If ufunda iBhayibheli ubelivela kulo, uyafunda khona ama-verses amaningi ama-spiritual warfare. So ungakhuleka ngawo, usebenzise izwi likaNkulunkulu ukuthi ukhuleke ngalo. And then uthathe impepho yakho noma i-stick sakho, incense stick yakho, and then angisho uyikhanyisile, and then uzoyi-move around wena, uzoyihambisa around wena. Like mina ngisebenzise le sticks, and then bese uzoyi-move around wena. Uyakhuluma ngisho noma uyakhuleka. Abaphahlayo bayaphahla, and then uyakhuluma ucosha leyo mimoya emibi around you until phansi, then ucoshe. Then uyenza ku-space sakho xosha imimoya emibi, xosha whatever leyo ozobe ikhuluma lapho. Uzoyenza around your place leyo ohlala kuyo. If i-room, uyenze erumini yakho. If indlu, uzohamba around, pray. If uyakhuluma, uyaphahla, uyenze lokhu okholela kuko. And then uyayixosha imimoya emibi kanjalo. You can use your crystal stones. Crystal stones are powerful tools that can help absorb and transmute negative energy. So ungawuza ama-crystal stone wakho. You can use crystal stones. Crystal stones are powerful tools that can help absorb and transmute negative energy. Now take a few moments to close your eyes and focus on your intention. Imagine a bright white light surrounding your body and filling any areas that feel stuck or stagnant. Visualize this light absorbing any negative energy and replacing it with positive and protection. Repeat the following affirmation to yourself. I am safe. I am protected. I am surrounded by positivity and light. I am safe. I am protected. I am surrounded by positivity and light. That's how you can go about doing it in meditation. And then now we will be showing you izinto ongazenza ezinye for cleansing yourself, your body, and cleansing your space. Maybe ngaphandle ukuthi ungayenza kanjani ukuthi uziprotect. Okay, these are the things that you can use ukususa i-bed or ichitho mangaphuphi kahle. Yenza le combo yenza izinto eziningi. So kuzoya ngawe isikhathi sakho. Ngana ine-half salt. Kuya ngawe ukuthi uyenza how many days. So ngithela nje a handful. Lana nginamanzi wami. Ngiyenzela kule bucket because I want to show you ukuthi you don't have ukuthi uyenzele ebhavini kuphela. So if uyenzele ebhavini uthela amanzi wakho bese uyathela direct ebhavini. So la ngizobonisa ukuthi uthela uswayi rock salt. Then abavumelekile ukuthi basebenzise i-holy ash, and then you can use i-holy ash. Optional, ungayifaka ungahlali ungayifaki. So ufaka umlotha wakho, umlotha wami ngizoyuza mina. And then i-spirit sakho lesi. I-measurement kuya ngawe. So I mean angifuni too much. And then umadubula wakho lona. And then kuya ngawe la. Umadubula angithandi kufaka kakhulu. Kuya nokuthi uyosebenzisele into engakanani. Ngeke ngiyenze la ebhavini. So if you like bhavini then ngingathela isigubhu esigcwele. And then masuqedile ukumisa, like I said, it's optional ukuthi ayifaki i-holy ash or awufaki umlotha wakho awufaki. And then ungayenza kube i-half salt, and ungayenza i-half salt and then ne-spirit. Ungakhona ukugeza so ufake ne-onion yakho. Ayidinge indlela nakhona ukuthi yenza kanjani. Ungageza ngomadubula kuphela. But ungayenzi njalo always because sometimes khona ama-ancestors abangawuthandi amadubula. So ube namalanga ozisetela wona. Ungabi into yakho everyday. Uyakhona ukuthi uhlambulule isithunywa sakho ngomlotha. Or i-holy ash. So ngelinye ilanga ugeza ngomlotha kuphela, ilanga ugeza ngomadubula kuphela. ngelinye ilanga uyenza le-mixture le yakho. Then abavumelekile i-holy ash uyayisebenzisa nayo iyodwa, so uyayimix. Bese-ke uyamixa. Shuthi when you pray, like when you make that, you should pray. Uyakhuleka, like khuleka, faka isandla sakho, khuleka, khulumisa konke amathunzi omnyama asuke kuwe, everything ebad isuke kuwe. Khuluma lento ofuna ukuthi iyenzeke empilweni yakho. Uthi namaphupho amabi, qosha amaphupho amabi la ngayo lekhombo le. Yeah, bese njengoba uyenze ebhavini uzobe amanzi wakho vele azobe sowathelile waba ready, soyathela imixture yakho, then soyakhuleka, ukhulelela amanzi wakho la ebhavini. Uyakhulekela then bese ukuthi uzoyuza le mixture after ugezile. So it's advisable uqala ugeze ngamanzi wakho anensipho kuphela, ungahlanganisi insipho la mawugeza la. Qala ugeze ngamanzi wakho anensipho, uyawakhipha then urinsa ngayo le. So ushimba then uyakhuleka then uyageza. Okay, then njengoba ngishilo ukuthi okhona umuntu ozothi yena uneshower kuphela, then uqala uyashawara qala ngamanzi wakho nensipho, ibhakede lakho libe seduzane. Then mawuceda ke uthatha le mixture le, uyakhuleka. Then mawuceda lapho uyayinza uqoshe konke okunyama, abhadi whatever ukudla uqoshe uyazithela mawuceda ungazisuli uwomele kuwe. Same mixture le uyakhona ukuthi uchele ngayo, uchele la uhlala khona ngaphandle. Uyakhona ukuthi ukokophe ngayo endlini uyishaya. Ungakhipha umlotha ungawufaki, mawufuna ukufaka makuthi ufaka lalela umoya wakho. Uyachela ngawucosha imimoya ngoba nasejardini iyaba nezinto ezingase right. So uyabona ukuthi le khombo le yenza izinto eziningi.